Take a deep breath in. Feel a sense of calm relaxation going in through your nose into your lungs. And as you exhale, just allow your body to relax. Feeling any stress, tension, or worries start to dissolve and leave your body in that outward breath. As you breathe in slower than you normally would, and exhale for longer as you feel your muscles loosening, your mind slowing down. Allow your eyelids to close if they're not already, and give permission to simply become more present here in this moment. When you breathe in and breathe out, just focus on your breath. And as you let go of any tension, allow your thoughts to drift. Like autumn leaves carried away by the breeze. And now, with each breath, you find yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Locate the parts of your body that feel tense or stressed, and allow them to release that stress and tension. As you fall deeper and deeper relaxed, feeling calm, peaceful, and open to new insights. As you continue to relax, imagine standing out in nature, perhaps close to a forest, but not a forest in summer or spring. Imagine a forest in winter, as you see that winter landscape in your mind's eye. The trees are bare, the air crisp and cold. The ground is still, and you may feel that chill in the air as you breathe in and breathe out. But what if this winter season is a time for reflection, a time for renewal? It's a time when the ground rests, preparing for growth, for new things that come with spring. So step into the forest, feeling the stillness of the season around you, and know that this winter represents the challenges you're facing right now. But just like winter, this season, this time is temporary, and spring is always just around the corner. As you walk, you begin to notice that even in this quiet season, life persists, preparing and growing stronger beneath the surface. As you breathe in and breathe out, you start thinking of historical moments in the past that were considered a disaster. Imagine going back in history and observing the chaos of the Great Fire of London. Destruction, fear, uncertainty. And yet, it was necessary for the city to come back bigger, stronger, and more influential than ever before, and allow a seed to be planted deep in your subconscious mind that sometimes very good things comes from bad times. And as you hold that thought, continue to walk through this symbolic winter and know that every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow, to make changes, and to become stronger than ever before. What if you started to believe that every challenge is a gift in disguise? An opportunity to reassess, to learn, and to make strategic improvements. And I wonder if you can begin to see these challenges not as obstacles, but as gateways to your next level of success. They are guiding you to long-term changes that will strengthen both you and your business. And I wonder if you can imagine yourself facing each challenge with confidence and inner certainty, knowing that with each and every step, you are becoming wiser, more capable, and more resilient. You are aware that in any situation there's an element of luck. And sometimes it feels like you've had a run of bad luck. But you also know that the law of balance is on your side. A regression to the mean. After a period of bad luck, good luck is bound to follow. And so you welcome that shift in fortune, ready to embrace it like spring when it comes, as you feel the tides are turning in your favor. Breathe in and breathe out, still releasing any stress, worries, and tension. And think of particular the faces of people in your team as you realize that any changes or departures are a natural part of the growth process. That if people leave your company, perhaps it's because they weren't the right fit for where you're going. If every new recruit gets through boot camp wasn't tough enough. And what if this is your chance to attract the future leaders? To find those who are truly aligned with your vision, that can dig deep, become resilient when needed. What if you have the opportunity to use this period as you continue to relax, committed, and to start to build a team of talent, dedication, and passion, a team that will thrive as the seasons shift. And what if this challenging time is the perfect chance to audit your real talent? To see who shines under pressure and to make strategic changes. what if there's a rule? A rule of leverage of time and talent. A Pareto principle where more time and energy is spent on the things that really matter, and efficiencies are made on those things that really don't. That 20% of your efforts lead to 80% of your results, and so you become more efficient, focusing on the areas that will have the greatest impact. As you feel that you are done with firefighting and are now using this time wisely, doing things that have the biggest impact, while simultaneously learning the lessons that will prevent you from facing similar challenges in the future. If you had a time machine and could go back 1 year in the past, you know with certainty there is things you could have done then that would have made a difference to where you are now. And that if that is true 1 year ago, it is also true now, that the things that you are doing now could influence you and your business 1 year from now. So feel the sense of wisdom and clarity flowing through you now. You are resourceful. You are confident. You are resilient. The challenges that you are facing are shaping you into a more powerful leader, and they are preparing your business for a future of even greater success. And what if you can't help but think just how resourceful and capable you are of overcoming any challenge? That the challenges are an opportunity for growth and improvement. That you are confident in your ability to lead through these difficult times. You've had some bad luck, so you now welcome good luck and positive changes into the business. Deep down you know that the right people will stay and future leaders will emerge. And you'll become better and better at making strategic, efficient decisions, not from a place of obligation or fear, but from a place of confidence, optimism, and strategy. I want you to get a sense as you leave the forest. You notice the sunshine. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the signs of winter. Perhaps frost or snow is just melting away. And maybe you can see the green shoots of spring already starting to emerge. I want you to get a sense that when you survive the winter, you are prepared to make powerful changes in spring, and then make hay while the sun shines in summer. But for now, just trust. You have more resources than you realize, and you can dig deep to get through this winter. As you leave the forest, feel that you're now in spring. And spring doesn't mean it's always sunny. It can snow in spring, it can be rainy in spring. But the trend is moving in the right direction. So what if the worst is behind you and now things are looking up? So breathe in and breathe out. Just wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Start to connect into the here and the now. As very shortly I count from 1 to 10 to awaken you, you will awaken feeling resourceful, calm and confident, with an unshakable belief that good things will come from this tough time, and that spring is just around the corner. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.